Hi, I'm Yosefa. Thanks for joining me for the TimeWise Repair skincare routine. So let's get started. So this is my TimeWise Repair Lifting Bio-Cellulose mask. Now with this mask, you'll be able to see a visible lift within just 2 weeks of using this Korean beauty inspired face mask. Now I would use it for special occasions, say if you have a date night coming up, it's great for that. And for maximum benefits, I would use it twice a week to complement the TimeWise Repair regimen. So I'll just take it out, and then here's one right here. Remove the mask from the packet and unfold. The mask is between two protective mesh layers. Remove one layer of mesh and apply the mask to a clean, dry face. Position the mask on the forehead, cheeks, nose, mouth, and around the eyes for a perfect fit. The eyelid flaps can either be folded back or left gently resting on the eyelids. Now gently smooth the mask so it is completely fitted against the skin. Carefully remove the remaining top layer of mesh. And you want to leave the mask on for about 20 to 30 minutes and then remove. Thank you for watching the TimeWise Repair routine. If you want to learn more about building a routine, click right here. And if you want to see more Mary Kay videos, be sure to subscribe. See you soon.